Hey folks, natapos ko na ang 12 episodes ng Castaway Diva and I must say, it's a very fun and emotional journey. Masaya ako na everyone had their happy ending except Jungbo Wan, the main villain of the series na tatay ni Cheho at ni Kiho. However, there would have been more focus on her singing journey kung hindi masyado nilagay sa maraming episodes yung conflicts ng supporting characters. Parang naging singit-singit na lang kasi dun sa latter half ng show yung progression ni Somokha as a singer. Sayang walang kissing scene si Yuran Jut presently sa ending. Ganyan kasi kapag veteran actors, they have that spark and chemistry kahit na hindi mo ipilit. Which is for me, yun ang nawawala sa character ni Park Eun-bin and yung co-actors siya. Don't get me wrong, individually they're good actors. But for this one, they don't really have that much chemistry. Yes, yung young version ni Kiho at saka ni Mokha, meron ang lakas. Pero nung paglaki na, parang medyo wala talaga. Anyways, I rate the series 3.5 out of 5 stars. Another good thing about the way the series ended is yung storya na naging madali naman sundan from start to finish. And of course, the lesson is very clear. Kagaya na ng sinasabi ng nanay nila Kiho, your wish will actually get it if you wish with all your heart, but it might come in an unexpected way. So ikaw, ano ang wish mo? Kapag ikaw ay na-strand sa island of 15 years.